Preserve. The Retro Arcade.
Guys, I'm Ray.
And I'm Dad.
And today we are at the Game Preserve.
And there are the prices. So for memberships, for day passes, and that's good for all day?
Yes, sir.
All day. Excellent. Let's go check out the arcade. Excited. They have the old school Star Wars. I used to put so many quarters into playing this as a kid. All right, Ray, here we go. Hold this for a second. I'm going to give it a try. Here we go. Let's see. How do we start this?
Good try, Standing By.
Uh-oh. I better go easy. Okay. Oh, I got a TIE Fighter. Got another one. Ooh. Okay, so starting off with the Star Wars game was perfect because I have my #1 Dad Darth Vader shirt on. Alright, so we found the game to play together. Old school Rampage. Oh, and old school Mario Brothers. Look, the writing's backwards. Is it supposed to be like that? Oh, it is. Oh, they flip it back around. I forgot that. Oh, that's so much fun. Ghost and Goblins. Oh my goodness. I spent many a dollar playing Ghost and Goblins. I think Ray's eyes are bigger than her stomach here. She can't decide what to play. There's so many cool things. Oh, here we go. Let's try Twilight Zone together. You ready? You want to see who gets a higher score on Twilight Zone?
So how do you play this? You just
Okay,
press
hit
the button.
start. Here, I'm going to teach you. Ray's never played a pinball game before. And she pull it all the way back as far as you can. And then you're going to immediately put your hands on that. Will be your flipper, and the other flipper is one on each side. Okay, so pull that back, let it go. And there's a ball. Here we go. Ray, and I'm going to launch and launch. Ray's first time playing a pinball machine. How cool is that? Starting our challenge of playing every single pinball machine in Game Preserve. First time she's ever played pinball games, and she's already in love with them. All right, while she's playing Back to the Future, I'm going to try out Cyclone. Ray got her first tilt because the ball got stuck up there. Boo. Okay, next game. Okay, I'm doing Charlie's Angels, which is like so old school looking. And then Ray is doing something called Tri-Zone. This is a pretty wild game. Let's see if I can film and play again at the same time. This one's pretty fun. Oh no, I can't film and play. Oh well. Which one do you want to do, Ray? I figured you do Guardians of the Galaxy. This one looks crazy. Look at all the colors.
So many colors.
I'm just saying that all these are like works of art. Ooh, look at that. Drax, pick your mission. 3,275,180, but nothing. No, you didn't get the free game. Awesome. So we've taken care of this whole row, and to play all the games on this side took us almost 20 minutes. So,
okay, so
all right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Check out the other side. All right. Oh, I'm totally starting with this one. Dad wants to do this one.
I'll do Star Wars, I guess.
Oh. So I didn't really do good on that one, but it was kind of fun to play, and I like the fact of playing Metallica music, which is pretty cool. Let's see if we got, oh, no match. Oh, here we go. Let's see if Ray got a match. No match on that. Okay, 2 more down. Let's
but
go
I got
check out.
8 million.
Well, I think I'm still going here. This has been the longest pinball game I think I've ever played. Shoot again. I get to shoot again. Awesome. Hold on. See how Ray's doing over here first. She's on Lord of the Rings. Oh. My precious. That was a lot of fun. Okay, let's see how Ray's doing down here. So we've played all these ones now, and now Ray's playing Doctor Who. And look, it's got a Dalek on top. Look, there's a bunch of little ones.
Dalek.
Oh, sorry. Dalek. I'm not hip on the Doctor Who thing.
But instead of the pulsing, it's just a button.
Oh, okay, by far the lamest pinball machine ever. It literally went down, came around, and bounced behind this 3 times in a row, with me only hitting like 1 or 2 things. That was lame. I think I have a bit of a Pinball Wizard on my hands here. Ray is just loving playing pinball machines. Ray finally got a free game, I think. So hit the button. Hit the start button. There we go, I think. Oh yeah, she got a free game. Now we need to go to the pinballs on the other side and go knock those out as well as soon as Ray's done with this one. How's it going, Ray?
Good.
Great. How's she doing back there on Congo? All right, so we finished this side of the pinball machines. Let's go on the other side and go see the old. They have some really old school ones over here. Oh, here's the other pinball machines. So these are like the really old school pinball machines. There's so many little rooms here, and I don't know. Can we play any of these?
I think these three.
Okay, let's play these old school ones, and then we'll officially play all the pinball machines, I think, in this place. You know? So some of these are so old school, we can't figure out how to get them to work. I feel like I'm like those kids with the rotary telephones. Oh, Ray got it! She found a button. All right. Here you go. I'm going to film the very last one we have to finish.
This does not like shoot as well as the other one.
Yeah, I think this thing's really old. I wonder what year this thing was made. Well, there we go, folks. We made it all the way through. Let's see how much time we played every pinball machine in here, and I don't know how many there are. And then we started at what time did we start? Like 11:18. We started 11:18, I think, and it is now. Hold on, I'm opening my phone. 1 second. It is now 12:20. So it took us an hour to play at least one game at each of the pinball machines that was working. There's so many fun things to do here.
Yeah, and we've only played like two or three extra games and then pinball machines. Like that's all we've done.
So should we find some more extra games to play for a little while?
Let's play
and then
one more, and then I think we want to head out.
Yeah, you ready to get some lunch? Okay. And Ray chose for one more game to play. Rampage. It's like the perfect bonding moment. Watch. Oh, we won. Look at punchy high, punchy. So, would you recommend this place for folks to come visit?
Yes.
They're awesome. So, we will put information for the website down below so you can check them out as well. So this is the Game Preserve. And you want to say anything else, Ray?
Make sure to subscribe to our channel. We are almost at 100 subscribers.
Yay! We were at 94 subscribers this morning, so thank you, all of you. We really appreciate each and every one of you.
But anyways, once you subscribe, press bell for notifications so you know when we upload a new video. And like this video and make sure to enjoy.
Thank you, everybody.